The whole idea of the Summer Institute is to really create the opportunity for undergraduates to experience a multidisciplinary understanding of how government works and how governance actually functions, and what are some possible way of designing or redesigning policy strategies to deal with complex global and local challenges. Our instructor rank would include CEO of nonprofit organizations, and I'll invite governmental officials to actually share their perspective. We, of course, also have a very innovative dimension to our institute, and that is we'll have a simulation lab. They'll role play using the AI generated information. They will be given some problem set to some policy challenges. Learning from this institute would be extremely beneficial to their own career objective and advancement going forward. They could use some of these tools and knowledge that they learn from the institute to actually improve the opportunities and quality of life in their own community. They should not feel isolated or alone in thinking through those policy issues and solutions, because they will having access to all the peers around them. The Summer Institute is only the beginning. 20 years from now, they will still remember that, oh yeah, I know this colleague of mine who is now heading the agency in another country, and I can call her up and we can deal with the issues together collaboratively, because we started our friendship way back in Hong Kong 20 years ago in the Summer Institute, organized by the School of Governance and Policy.